Ayan, okay. What's up guys? Okay, once again, okay. John Lee again in the house. Ayan ngayon guys, mic testing na tayo. Ayan. Mic 1 and mic 2. Ayan, okay. Ayan na guys, bali. Okay, check na natin guys, okay. Okay, yan guys, yan na yung pinaka-mount ano natin guys, okay. Nilagay na natin ng ano, okay. Mic 1, mic 2, ayan, okay. Then yan na yung pinaka ano niya guys. Ayan, okay. Yung pinaka unit niya, okay, receiver niya, okay. And then yan yung ano guys, oh. Naka ano ako sa iMix Curve 8, naka 6 reverb. Then ayan guys, yan, okay. Okay, yan guys, di ba? Yan yung pihit natin sa microphone, ayan. Yung dB niya guys, then ayan, high, naka ano lang, almost 11 o'clock. Then yung high niya, 11 o'clock din. Then sub niya is 3 o'clock. Ayan, okay. Ayan guys. Try natin guys kung pasok siya sa ano guys, tawag dyan. Kung malapit ako, okay, ayan. Okay, para makita. Okay, mic 1, okay, check. Ayan guys, okay. Mic 1 pala ito guys, okay. Okay, yan guys, siguro, okay. John Lee again in the house, mic testing, actual testing and actual vlog by John Lee TV in the house. Okay, ayan. AA check, ayan guys. Mic 1, okay. AA sound check. Ayan. AA check, 1, 2, ayan guys. Ayan, nakikita naman ako siguro guys. Ayan, almost katabi ko na yung aking Jones mini sound. Ayan, almost 1 meter, half meter, okay. Then yung mic volume ko is nasa 3 o'clock guys, 3 o'clock, okay. Hindi, 1 o'clock, okay, apologize, okay. Ayan, okay. Okay, try naman natin itong mic 2, ayan, mic 2, okay. AA sound, check. Mic testing, okay. Mic 2, okay. A sound, check. Ayan, lakasan natin guys. AA check, 1, 2, AA sound. Ayan, quality guys, basta Joson. Powered by Joson guys, ayan, okay. Ayan. Kung interested kayo guys, SRP nito is 4,999, okay? Isarado na natin sa 5,000, okay? Tama-tama to guys sa mga basic rental nyo or pro rental nila guys in event, ayan. Tama-tama to guys, okay? Ay sa halagang 5,000 guys, may professional microphone na kayo, okay? Message in my YouTube channel at John Lee TV or my page Facebook Johnny Gamboa. Ayan, okay. Mic 1, mic 2. Ayan. Bali dalawain ko na guys. Okay. AA sound check. Ayan guys. Yung ang high niya guys, Twitter. Ayan. Masyadong sa gitsit guys, sa gitsit. Basta Joson sa gitsit, di ba? Ay ngayon guys, siguro lalabas ako para, okay, try natin lalabas guys, okay, lalabas ako, okay, para makita natin yung range niya guys, range, okay, yung pinaka, kung ilan yung hanggang layo niya guys, yung layo niya, okay, ayan, AA check, 1, 2, ayan, AA check, hello sound, mic 1, mic 2, A check. Ayan guys, okay. Lalabas ako guys para mag-try natin yung layo niya guys. Pero yung dito guys ayan. Ayan, katabi ko na guys ayan, okay. Ayan, no? Walang feedback guys, walang feedback kahit walang kanta bro. Ayan, meron na, may content guys, okay. Ayan guys, okay. Medyo natikit ko ng gusto guys, okay. Apologize, okay. I-try ko lalabas guys kung okay yung range niya guys, okay, marinig nyo. Kaya lalabas na ako guys para matisting natin yung layo niya, okay? Kaya umaambot pala, umaambot. Kaya lalabas ako ng bahay guys, kaya may signal pa na, kaya umaambot na. Ayan, shout out natin sa ating mga kapitbahay, okay? AA check, mic 1, mic 2. Ayan. Okay naman yung frequency niya guys, ayan, naririnig niyo naman siguro, ayan. Hindi na ako makalayo kasi umambot na. AA, mic 1, mic 2. Ayan, A sound check. Nasa labas na ako guys ng aking bahay, ayan. Kaya lang hindi ko na madala yung aking camera, okay? Maambot na guys. Siguro nasa 200 meters pasok pa siya guys, okay? Dali para maniwala kayo guys, dadalhin ko yung camera ko guys ha. Baka sabihin nyo, nagtago lang ako eh. Ayan, okay? Tuloy natin lumabas guys, ayan, bali, ayan, lalabas ako guys, ayan. Para actual vlog talaga, okay? SRP nito guys is 499 lang, okay? For interested, just message me in my YouTube channel, John Lee TV, ayan. Mic 1, mic 2. AA check, ayan, bali, umaambon na kasi, okay? Try ko guys, try. Hindi naman masyado malakas, okay? Para may tayo, proof of vlogging ba, ayan. Kaya guys, nasa labas na ako guys. Mic 1, ayan. Siguro malayo-layo na to kaya, nasa 200 meters na kaya. Sound check, naririnig nyo ba, di ba? Ay, umaambon na guys, okay? Mic 1, mic 2, check. Ayan, ulan na guys. Ulan na pare. Ayan guys, lumabas na ako guys para maniwala kayo ha. Okay, bali yan yung labas ko, ayan, di ba? Jolly in the outside na, ayan, okay. Pero swak na swak pa rin yung ating mic guys. Yeah. Mic 1, mic 2, diba? Sound check. Ayan guys, okay, pasok tayo guys, okay. Siguro yung tansya ko doon guys, nasa na siya, ayan, doon malayo na, diba? Nasa 200 meters na guys, pero wala pa rin guys, loud and clear pa rin yung ating Mount Mayon Joson, okay? Powered by Joson, okay? Quality guys, sa halagang 5,000. Swak na guys, may professional microphone na kayo, okay? Kaya guys, medyo hinabaan na natin yung video para makita nila, diba? Okay guys, thank you so much for watching and God bless us all. Okay, okay. Thank you so much. Okay.